Dynamic philosopher problem. What is dynamic philosopher's problem? Five philosophers are in a thinking eating cycle. When a philosopher gets hungry, he sits down, picks up two nearest chopsticks and eats. A philosopher can eat only if he has both chopsticks. Now, what is semaphores? Semaphore is simply a variable. This is a variable is used to solve critical section problem and to achieve process synchronization in the multiprocessing environment. It consists of a counter, a waiting list of a processes, and two methods. Now, what are the solution for dining philosophers problem using semaphores? The first one is chopsticks are shared items by two philosophers and must be protected. The second one is each chopstick has a semaphore with initial value 1. The third one is a philosopher call wait before picks a chopstick and calls signal to release it. Now, does this solution work all the time? No. The answer is no. Why? Because of circular waiting and deadlock. If all five philosophers sit down and pick up their left chopsticks at the same time, this program has a circular waiting and deadlocks. So these deadlocks can be removed? Yes. The solution for deadlocks are introduce a weirdo who pick up his right chopstick first. Allow at most 4 philosophers at the same table where there are 5 resources. Then, at last, allow a philosopher to pick up chopsticks only if both are free. This requires protection of critical section to test if both chopsticks are free before grabbing them or not. What are introducing weirdo? Now fourth person act as an weirdo and there is no circular for waiting. Allow at most 4 philosophers to sit. The native solution to the dining philosophers causes circular waiting. If only 4 philosophers are allowed to sit, no deadlock can occur. But why? The answer is if all 4 of them sit at the same time, the rightmost philosopher can have both chopsticks. How about fewer than 4? No, this is obvious. Allow at most 4 philosophers to sit continuously. The answer is introducing a semaphore for previous problems with initial value of 4. This will allow to sit only 4 persons. Now, the semaphore can result in deadlock due to programming errors, forgot to add P or V, or misordered them, or duplicate them. To reduce these errors, introduce high-level synchronization primitives like monitors with condition variables. Now, what is a monitor? In concurrent programming, a monitor is a synchronization construct that allows threads to have both mutual exclusion and the ability to wait for a certain condition to become true. Monitors also have a mechanism for signaling other threads and their condition has been met. Now, what is monitor? A condition variable. Two different operations are performed on the condition variable of the monitor. Those signals are wait and signal. What are wait operation? Process informing wait operation on any condition variable are suspended. The suspended process are placed in a block queue of that condition variable. And what are signal operation? The signal operation are those when a process performs signal operation on condition variable, one of the block process is given a chance. Now, monitor based solution to dining philosopher's problem. For prevent deadlock, monitor is used to control the state variable and condition variable. It only tells to enter and exit the segment. This solution imposes the restriction that a philosopher may pick up her chopsticks only if both of them are available. What are the key insight of this problem? Pick up two chopsticks only if they are free. This is some code for the monitor based solution to dining. So thank you so much for my presentation. If any question required, then please mail me.